You're listening to the Soap Free Podcast, the show that brings you the latest information on soap-free products, trends, and ideas.
Hello, everybody. It's JP from Soap Free Procyon coming at you today with my reading glasses on. This is all, by the way, free form. I do not script this, so thanks for your patience, and hopefully it's enjoyable and very human. But I want to start doing a couple of important things here. First is I have here our hero product, one of them, the amazing Soap Free Procyon Spot and Stain Remover. This is our ready-to-use product. I'm going to do a couple of things here. First, I don't know if you'll be able to hear this, but I'm going to shake this thing. And you can hear it all day long because there's no soap or suds, no detergent. Every shake is the same as the first. So note that. And then it's time for the human safety check. And this is a fairly technical procedure, so bear with me just a moment. First, I'm going to rotate the bottle, and I'm going to get the spray trigger in my thumb, and yum. Our product is made from a food grade, even kosher product, and it is that safe. The safety data sheet says all zeros. There are no human health hazards. So this is the stuff that you should have in your home, on your cleaning cart, wherever you are. Grab a bottle. That being said, I want to talk to you about giving and gratitude as this coming week we head into Thanksgiving. And yes, carpet cleaning is very important, and I'll get back to the right way to do it to take care of the gravy stain or that red wine that may in fact fall on your carpet while you're enjoying your friends or family. But let's talk a little bit about that gratitude. More often than not, I'm the guy that is giving books, not getting them. And so, pretty grateful because I had a meeting with a younger colleague the other day. And instead of giving a book, I got a book, and it's called The Go-Giver. Now, being a little slow yesterday, I didn't quite get the pun, if you will, but it's a business book. It's called The Go-Giver, a little story about a powerful business idea by Bob Berg and John David Mann. I'm going to hold this up so you can see that. And then when we get this posted, I will post it in comments. It is a short book, but I'm only about a third of the way through it, but it's already amazing. And I've talked about these concepts before, but I was a little slow on the uptake because the Go-Giver is a take on being a go-getter. I know you were way ahead of me, but that's how slow I was yesterday. So we all want to be go-getters. If you're a householder using our product, if you're a cleaning professional in our lives, we know the importance of being a go-getter. So what is this go-giver thing? And I want to just share a couple of nuggets that will give you an idea and maybe motivate you to grab this book and enjoy it with me. So it says the majority of people operate with a mindset that says to the fireplace, first give me some heat, then I'll throw on some logs. Or that says to the bank, give me interest on my money, then I'll make a deposit. And of course, it just doesn't work that way. Goes on to say, you can't go in two directions at once. Trying to be successful with making money as your goal is like trying to travel a superhighway at 70 miles an hour with your eyes glued to the rear view mirror. Interesting concept, right? And maybe a little bit confusing. But it goes on deeper in the book to introduce one of the 5 laws that it's talking about. And the first one is the law of value. And again, whether you are just somebody trying to keep your home clean or a professional, I think this is truly an important concept to apply in our lives. It says, your true worth is determined by how much more you give in value than you take in payment. Okay, so there we go. It's this concept of being focused on what we give instead of what we get. And you may recall in the past, I've talked about how some days if I get up and I'm feeling worried about things, it's typically because I'm thinking about what am I going to get today? What am I going to get from others? that can often be really depressing and worrying, but we can turn all that around if we think about instead, what is it that I have to give today? I've woken up, God's given me another day. What is it that I get to give to the world? And in giving me this book the other day, this young man was really wanting to share with me that concept in these times when, let's just face it, at the end of 2023, there's a lot of things happening in the world, a lot of changes, a lot of difficulties, economic and otherwise. Time for worry. But at the same time, if we think about what we can give every day, starting in our home, but going out into our business, to our customers, that's super powerful. Very, very powerful stuff. So just wanted to share that with you. And then I have a couple other pieces that I would like to share before returning to the business of carpet cleaning for a moment. This is an Oprah Winfrey quote. Focusing on one thing that you are grateful for increases the energy of gratitude and rises the joy inside yourself. So again, I really think that is a key to happiness and business success. What do we have to give? What are we thankful for today? Okay, now, I don't want you to get the impression I spend all my time with my nose in, there it is, a Bible, but this is a long trusted friend and a favorite when it comes to Thanksgiving. And this works both ways, being mindful and being thankful, but also in times where we have anxiety. This is from Philippians 4:6. Do not be anxious about anything, but in everything through prayer and supplication with thanksgiving, let your requests be made known to God. So let's be thankful in this season, whatever it may be, for your family, or your family of choice, as sometimes I like to call my closest friends and the wonderful colleagues around me. And that probably includes a lot of you. I have a lot to be thankful for there, for health, if we have it, and for medicine, if we don't. It doesn't take long to put together your gratitude list. Now, on the business side, I want to express that Bob and I, the owners of Plus Manufacturing, makers of Soap Free Procyon, are extremely grateful for the good folks who work in our company with us, but also all of you who have placed your trust in our product for almost 40 years. And that family of people trusting us is growing every day. I'm grateful for the conversations I've had, for the opportunity I've had to give advice and encouragement, and the encouragement I've received and information I've received from our customers, both existing and prospective. It's been a year of tremendous learning, and I'm grateful for that. So now to the important thing. When you get those loving gravy stains and spills, and you need to get them out of your carpet, pick up this very safe bottle. No, you do not have to do the safety check or spray it in your mouth, but do spray a little on your carpet after you have picked up as much of the material just with a wet cloth as possible. Remember, after you've sprayed it, to gently agitate it with your fingers or a gentle scrub brush or a bleach-free white washcloth or cloth. Give it about 5 minutes of that important, say it with me, dwelling time. Time is our friend when it comes to safe cleaning products. And then take hot water in that nice bleach-free cloth and blot it up. Now, the only problem you may have is that area where you just cleaned that stain up may become the brightest part of your carpet, not because we've bleached it or brightened it, but because the rest of your carpet needs some cleaning. That's where you need to call your cleaning professional, get them in, insist upon them using Soap Free Procyon. Or if you have a home machine, remember, you can buy our Extreme Pre-Spray or our carpet and upholstery cleaner. And remember, you put it in a spray bottle, pre-spray the area after your careful vacuuming, and then just put hot water in the tank on your upright or your rug doctor machine, whatever it might be, and just rinse with the clean water. Hopefully, if you will have some of those, very few, but a few of those loving stains, you'll get them clean, and you may even be thankful to us at Soap Free Procyon. But we're here to give. I encourage you to lead with giving, and may gratitude be a huge part of not just the coming week, but your entire year. This is JP from Procyon. You can find us online at www.procyon.com. www.soapfreeprocyon.com. Easy to find our number on the web, and we look forward to another year of serving you, our dear customers. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Thanks for joining us this week on the Soap Free Podcast. Make sure to visit our website, soapfreeprocyon.com, where you can learn more about amazing soap-free cleaning products. Be sure to subscribe to the show in iTunes, Google, Spotify, or iHeartRadio so you'll never miss a show. While you're at it, if you found value in this show, we'd appreciate a rating on iTunes. Thanks so much for that effort. Until next time.